I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select Action SureTriggers. Give here the webhook link. So go to the SureTriggers dashboard. Create workflow. Give here a meaningful name. Start building. Add trigger. Search and select webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Body. Send all data. Applications/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. On the SureTrigger site, you can show the webhook executed responded. Save. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to SureTriggers site and click on the plus icon. Choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Create record. Choose connection. Select base. Select table. Map the respective fields. Test action. Action tested successfully. Save. Publish. Workflow is active now. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to the Airtable site. And you can see here the data came successfully in the Airtable via SureTriggers. Thanks for watching.